Hello students, let us see the poem of Unit 3, The Quarrel today. We will go through the poem, but first of all, please read who is the poet of this poem. I will show you the photo of the poet. So she is the poetess of your poem, The Quarrel. Her name is Eleanor Fergion. Eleanor Fergion. This is the way we pronounce her name. So Eleanor Fergion is the poetess, and now in this poem it is not mentioned whether the quarrel is between two girls, two boys, girl and a boy. Like when I read this poem, it was not very clear whether two sisters are fighting, two brothers are fighting, or a sister and a brother are fighting. But when I read the name of the poetess, then I made my mind that it is the quarrel between a sister and her brother. So we are going to consider the same while going into the explanation of this poem, and let us go through the poem. It is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. But how long do such quarrels last? How do they end? Beautiful questions are asked. Many times brothers and sisters, they indulge in a quarrel. Maybe sometimes we don't even know the reason why they have quarreled. Yes, you can think about yourself. You and your sibling, maybe your brother or your sister, whosoever you have. And then think of these questions. How long do such quarrels last? Yes, how long do your quarrel last and how do they end? So, how do you end up a quarrel? Now, in this beautiful poem, the poetess is telling that she and her brother, both of them had a quarrel one day, and she was not remembering the reason for it. So, she then tells that at the beginning it was slight something and they started quarreling, but then it kept on going and then it becomes so worse that they fell out. Means they finally quarreled and they stopped talking to each other. So the day was not very good for both of them, and slowly the afternoon turned black. Means the day started ending and darkness came on. It means the night started, and suddenly her brother comes to her and he thumped on her back. Means he put a pat like this on her back, and the brother asks her, like, how long are we going to go like this? We cannot live without each other. I was in the wrong. So here the brother admits that it was his mistake, and the sister then says at the end that yes, you are right. That means she agrees that it was his mistake. So we will read, only two stanzas are there. We will read the paragraph. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight. The end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. So as I told, I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. So the poetess is telling that I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. She is not able to remember what was the reason behind their quarrel. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. So what is the meaning of one thing led to another? It means it started up for one thing, but when they were quarreling to each other, they kept on fighting for again the things which came in front of them. One thing led to another. भांडणातून आणखी भांडण वाढत गेलं. And somehow we fell out. And then they aparted, means they stopped talking to each other. Fell out means quarrel. Fell out means again quarrel. The start of it was slight. Slight means small thing, something very small, petty thing happened. The start of the quarrel was slight, means it was petty, something not very important or big, it was something very small. The end of it was strong, but when they ended up in not talking to each other, it was a very strong quarrel. They summed up so many things as one thing led to another. It ended up to be a strong quarrel, but at the beginning it was a small thing. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. And the brother said he was right, but the sister knew that he was not right, he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. So they started hating each other because the quarrel became very strong. They started hating each other. They were not looking at each other. They were not talking to each other. So the afternoon turned black. Afternoon turned black means day started ending and night began. So the darkness started. Turned black means night fall. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. Suddenly when the night came, the brother came to the sister and he thumped me on the back. So as I told you, thumped means to do like this on the back. And said, so the brother thumped and he said, oh, come along. He said, oh, come along. We can't go on all night. Which means he said that, oh my dear sister, we should talk to each other. We cannot remain silent, or we cannot fight like this, and we cannot spend the whole night without talking to each other like this. We can't go on all night, so we cannot keep fighting a whole night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So he is admitting here, this is in continuation to the sentence of the brother. We can't go on all night. I was in the wrong. So the brother is saying, we cannot fight for the whole night. I admit that I was wrong. And then the sister is happy and she says, so he was in the right. Which means the brother says, yes, he was right that he had done the wrong thing. He was wrong. And it also means that he came to her, he's patched up first, so he was right. And he was also right that he was wrong. So very beautiful poem and a simple explanation. Do read it many times, understand, and then we will go for solving the exercise. Thank you.